As a window cleaner, you've got to have some level of fussiness, right? Your average homeowner wants crispy, clean windows with no streaks and no specks. But then there are those clients that are a little more fastidious. You know what I mean. Is that a smudge on the glass or is it just my reflection? You can get these nitpicky freaks that want their windows cleaned as if you're wearing a hazmat suit and they're going to inspect with a magnifying glass. But most regular people don't even notice or appreciate that level of psychotic cleaning standard, which is why for the ultra-fussy clients, we offer premium pricing. They can have the basic maintenance cleaning package or the I have way too much time and money white glove service, cleaning tracks, sills and other details, removing every trace that a child or dog ever entered the house. The joys of catering to those perfectionist window cleaning clients. You might need more than just morning fresh to fix some of them.